navigating certain aspects of Trinidad and Tobago's territorial waters has always presented challenges. In the Chaguaramas Bay area, unreliable marine communication once left many mariners navigating in uncertainty, especially in emergency situations. But that has since changed. As part of the Smart Seas Toolkit Disaster Resilience Project, new VHF radio equipment has been successfully installed at Stobbles Bay, Chaguaramas, significantly improving marine communication coverage in the Chaguaramas Bay area. With this technology now in place, previously unreachable zones within the bay are finally connected, ensuring that those at sea can stay in touch when it matters most.
At ITU, we believe that every human being, whether on land, at sea, or in the air, should be connected. And that's why we are committed to providing universal, meaningful connectivity for everyone. No one should be left behind.
As the United Nations Specialized Agency for ICTs, the ITU is committed to connecting the world, especially vulnerable communities such as small-scale fishers.
The Smart Seas initiative aligns with the Caribbean Telecommunications Union's vision for a harmonized regional ICT space, bringing maritime issues into sharper focus. What we've seen so far isn't just regional, it's globally relevant in scope.
The Telecommunications Authority of Trinidad and Tobago is proud to lead the national effort to modernize maritime communications through regulation, innovation, and partnerships. With Smart Seas, we are ensuring that all communities, including our coastal communities, are connected, secure, and better prepared for the changing maritime conditions brought on by global warming and other environmental challenges.
The radio that was installed provides coverage for the Gulf of Paria and the Chaguaramas Bay area, which is the epicenter of maritime activity in Trinidad and Tobago, and one of the busiest and most diverse maritime hubs in the entire Caribbean. Prior to this radio being installed, the Trinidad and Tobago Coast Guard was unable to provide VHF coverage for the Chaguaramas Bay, and we were therefore unable to receive distress calls from mariners in need. Now that this radio is installed, we can provide adequate safety coverage for Chaguaramas Bay and the entire Gulf of Paria. And this solution is not only purpose-built, but future-ready, and it's a platform that we plan to build upon in the future as we expand our capabilities for providing safety and security for all of our maritime users.
From distress calls to routine check-ins, with the installation of this equipment, seamless real-time communication is now a reality, bridging the gap between land and sea like never before.
North Post Radio, North Post Radio, North Post Radio. This is Trinidad and Tobago Coast Guard. Trinidad and Tobago Coast Guard, a radio check. Channel 16 over.
Coast Guard Control, North Post Radio, your signals loud and clear, over.
North Post Radio, this is Trinidad and Tobago Coast Guard, your signal also loud and clear, strength 5.
Now, fishermen, tour operators, and recreational boaters can connect more reliably with the Coast Guard, port authorities, and each other, enhancing safety, coordination, and peace of mind. It's a critical step forward in building smarter, safer seas, and it's just the beginning. Smart Seas, clearer signals, stronger connections.